Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students of class 5. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is Assignment 1, Religion Assignment 1 discussion, and this is lecture number 28. My beloved students, Religion Assignment you will get very soon. Hope in this week, Thursday, you will get that, and after getting that, then you can understand what the class is going on. I will give you some link where from you will get that answer. So that will be easy for you finding the answer. Let's start. Students, there is no question. When you will get the question in assignment topic, then inshallah you can understand. But I written here where from you will get the answer. So there is only two type of question in your assignment. First one is SQ, short question, and there are 6 short question answer. And second item is BQ, broad question. So your first question is in your assignment, that is what is the meaning of Iman. So you will get this answer in your textbook page number 2. If you read the page number 2 properly, inshallah you will get the answer what is the meaning of Iman. Okay, now B number question is what is Risalat, and you will get this answer in your textbook page number 11. And page number 11, if you read properly, then you will get that. Now question number 3, what is called Wahi? So you will get this answer in your textbook page number 3 or 11. My beloved students, in both pages you will get the answer of what is called Wahi. So from any one you can write that answer. Okay, now question number D. Question number D is what is Ibadat? My dear students, A, B, C, these 3 questions you will get from chapter 1, and D, E and F you will get from chapter 2. So D number question is what is called Ibadat. So you will get this answer in your book page number 22. Page number 22. And now question number E, what is Siyam? Siyam is Roja. So what is Siyam? You will get this answer in your textbook page number 40. And last question, short question number F is what is Salat, and you will get this answer in your textbook page number 24. So I hope you understood. You have to read that pages and then you can find out all of this answer, then you will write according to the question and from the book. Now BQ, broad question. Broad question number 1 is write 5 attributive names of Allah in English with their meaning. My dear students, many of the times we already finished and I told you this is the important question, and so you will get this question answer in your textbook page number 8 to 10. Page number 8 to 10, it means 3 pages you have to see. Page number 8, 9 and 10. You have to write the Allah's attributive names in English. No need to write in Arabic and with the English meaning. I hope you understood. Now B number question, that is what is Arkan of Salat? How many Arkans are there? Write their names. So this question answer you will get textbook page number 36. Page number 36, there is the description about the Arkan of Salat, and there is the definition of Arkan of Salat and how many Arkans of Salat are there. You have to write all of that Arkan of Salat. And number C, last question BQ, write 6 benefits of paying zakat properly. Write 6 benefits of paying zakat properly. My dear students, you will get this answer YouTube class lecture number 27. It's very soon, it's already uploaded this week, so you have seen already. So from lecture number 27, you will get this question answer, 6 benefits of paying zakat. So that's all for today, my dear students. Now see the submission date. Assignment you will submit there will be 5 students, there will be 5, 6/5/21, that is Thursday. 6/5/21 Thursday, your assignment, religion assignment submission date. But if you want to submit before that date, you can submit, no problem at all. Those are want to submit before the 6/5/21, they can submit. I hope you understood, my dear students. After that, if you don't understand about the assignment, there is my mobile number. Inshallah, you will call me, and there is the live class also, you can ask me. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home to abide by your parents. See you next class, inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.